Hello beautiful people, welcome back. I'm Anna and today we are going to Renaissance Festival in Deerfield Beach, Florida. I'm just gonna go through my accessories. This is extremely historically inaccurate costume, but hear me out. I literally just worked with what I had in my closet. So I bought this at Renfest last year and I think they're really cool. They're like dragon ear cuffs. Really cool stuff. This is from Claire's for like $2. This top is actually a dress from Urban Outfitters. And the blue dress is from Steps, and the belt is from Forever 21. Renfest so far, Tata?
I will not participate in your video. Move away.
It's good.
Have you had fun?
Yeah.
Did you find anything you like?
Nope.
Be honest.
No, I'm sorry. You found
Oh, okay, yeah. I found a couple things I liked, and they were all extremely expensive.
There you go.
So I said, nope, I'm not gonna buy it.
How much was the robe you really wanted?
$850
Jesus
for
Christ.
a robe.
Today we are exploring Florida Renfest for the second time since last year. We went to I got this pretty cool corset. Stop it! And it was $50, which I'm never pretty happy spending that type of money, but he got it for me. So, thanks, Beth. B-roll.
Oh, well.
Keep going. There it is. That arm's on. Oh, she finished you off. Okay, reset.
If I start talking, I'm like,
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Careful, careful!
Grabbing a help.
just came back from Renfest. We had some dinner. I'm a little upset that I lost my belt. Like, it just, at one point in the day, I just didn't have it on me, and I just looked at myself and I realized I dropped it somewhere. So I tried to like trace my steps and try to find it. I asked in the lost and found and everything. I wasn't able to find it, but yeah, so that's unfortunate. But I was able to do number 324 on my bucket list today, which was to have a tarot reading. I think they're very interesting. I'm not really a big believer of anything of that. Like, I don't seek it out, but if it's there, like, I figure why not? I might as well do it. I had a tarot reading and it was a little scary. I felt like this person knew like stuff about my life that I've never told them, and it said mostly good things, just a couple weird ones. Some stuff I wasn't ready for, so now just finished dinner with my love.
Oh, hi.
Mackie's very happy with a huge bone that my dad got him. It was in one piece yesterday and today is already a mess. Which I guess it means he's healthy and happy and going at it. In other news, isn't this the biggest candle you've ever seen? Like, just for reference, this is my hand next to it. I can't like hold the whole thing. It's huge. Good candle. What? Good candle. Happy Monday, everybody. Today our friend Nate lands and he's staying with us for a couple of days. We're going to Okeechobee Music Festival together, so I have to make this house look decent, worthy of a guest. So I just have a lot to do today. I have laundry, I have to get the house in order, I have to make sure everything in the guest room looks nice. Let's get it done. By the way, this is a really proud moment for me. I cleaned my closet and it looks so nice. I used to have a lot of stuff on the ground here, just like clean laundry I hadn't put away, etc. So now it's just all the purses on top, the clothing. This is dresses, this is tops, this is pants and bottoms. So I'm pretty happy with it. Can we talk about this cutie who is taking a nap in my couch right now? Love you, Maki. You're a good boy. And I think I'm gonna end the video right here because I have so much to do. And I wanna edit this video and get it out. And because I'm trying to edit 2 videos this weekend before I leave for Okeechobee Music Festival, because I'm gonna be there for 3-4 days. And one of those days is upload day, and you guys know how strict I am on myself about missing upload day. I hate missing upload day. So I'm making it happen however I can. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you go to Renaissance Festival if you haven't been. It's an amazing time. So much fun. Everybody enjoys what they're doing. Everybody really gets in the theme of it all, and it's a really fun time. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I love you all. Have a wonderful week. Mwah.